everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the past continuous, its function, structure, and examples. We know that the present continuous refers to things are happening at the moment or right now, and the past continuous is used for things that were happening at a moment but in the past. But hadn't finished yet at the time. So this brings us to the first function. Where are the actions in progress at a specific moment in the past? Okay. For example, with examples, everything is easier to understand. Last year, I was starting my career in applied linguistic and language teaching. Or another example, we was trying to get his driver's license for a whole week. We can use the past continuous when we talk about two actions that were happening at the same time or were simultaneous. For example, while I was cleaning my house, I was listening to my favorite songs. Or the girls were recording videos while Russ was playing the guitar. I couldn't find a video where Russ is wearing a shirt. Sorry. So look at examples. Something it takes a comma and some things it doesn't. And it all depends on where you place while in the sentence. Okay? If while is at the beginning of the sentence, yes, use comma. Because you're starting with subordinate class and then comes the main class. Like in this example, and you add a comma after the first part because it's like making a pause before the main idea. If while is in the middle of the sentence, do not use a comma. Okay, because you already started with the main class and the second part flows naturally, like in this example. No comma is needed because the first part is complete and while it just connects both actions. And lastly, we can use it when we talk about actions that are interrupted by another one. For examples, they were talking when they saw a rat, or Michael was dancing when the police arrived. The structure for the past continuous needs a subject, the verb to be, conjugate in the past. That means was and were. Remember, was is used with he, she, it, and were is used with the other pronouns. Then we need the verb plus ing. Keep in mind that we have to follow some rules to add ing to verbs. If you don't them, you can check out my video about the present continuous where I explain it. She was watching videos on YouTube while having dinner. To make a sentence negative, we just need to put not before the main verb and after the verb to be. For example, don't worry, I wasn't doing anything when you called. And for the interrogative form, we switch the position of the subject with the auxiliary. In this tense, that's the verb to be as an auxiliary. Okay? For example, were you reading a new book? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a like and see you in another video.